everybody, and welcome to a very special family craft time with Jen from the Blue Mountains Public Library. Today we are going to be making a craft and we are going to be celebrating the upcoming holiday season together. If you have registered for this program, in your activity package, you will receive a green paper plate. The middle will not be cut out, so just watch for that. You'll have some green construction paper in there as well. You'll have a couple of bedazzled beads and some pom-poms in there as well. From home, you will need a pair of scissors. Please ask a grown-up to help you cut out the white middle of the plate. It is a little bit tricky, so just make sure you have a grown-up there to help you. What else will you need from home? So scissors, some glue. If you have white glue, that will work. If you have a glue stick, awesome. I'm going to be using a hot glue gun. If you have one at home and you want to use it, just make sure that you're always using it with an adult around just to help you out, just in case, because they are hot and we don't want anyone getting hurt. For wrapping the green paper around the plate, I am actually going to be using a stapler. You do not have to use a stapler. White glue and the glue stick will work just as fine. You just have to hold on to the pieces together for a little bit longer to get them to stick. If you have a stapler at home, again, make sure you have a grown-up to help you, okay? So you guys go grab your scissors and your glue and whatever else you're going to be using from home for this craft, and we will meet right back here and we'll be on to our craft and we will be on with our first step. Okay? Super. Have you grabbed all your supplies? I have all of my supplies here and I am ready to go. So step number one, we'll be cutting out the white circle of the plate. Once you have that cut, we'll be on to step number two. So if you need to pause the video just to cut the circle out, go on ahead, pause the video. But again, the circle is kind of tricky, so please ask a grown-up at home to help you with this step. So once you have the middle of your plate cut out, this is where you're going to take your green strips of paper. You're going to take them and you're going to loop them through so both ends meet perfectly. So you can either stick some glue here and then, oops, pinch and hold. If you're using a stapler, again, make sure you have a grown-up to help you. You can just staple them together. So now we're going to work right around the wreath. I'll do a few more with you just so you see what I mean. Just as so. Okay, let's get one more on there together. And if you can see some of the plate peeking through, that's okay because it's green, so you don't have to worry about it. So let's get this guy stapled together. Okay, so you're going to work your way around your plate with the green construction paper, and once you have those on there, and once I have those on there, we're going to be right back for step number 3. So I have worked my way around my paper plate with my wreath. So this is kind of what your wreath should look like right now. If you want to leave it like this, you can. If not, this is what our next step will be. We are going to take our scissors and we are going to take them and we're going to cut a triangle into each and every single one of these. Again, if you don't want to do this step, you don't have to. If you want to leave it like this, go right ahead. But if you want it to have a nice edge like that, you just go in and you go from point to point and meet in the middle and cut out a triangle. So I'm going to do that to each and every single one of my construction pieces on my wreath, and then I will be back for decorating. All right, so I've cut all the edges of my wreath, and now this is the fun part. So now we get to decorate. So I'm actually going to, they're rolling away on me. I'm going to put some of the colored pom-poms that are in your activity pack on here. So I'm going to use my glue gun. And I'm going to just decorate. If you have special stickers at home that you absolutely love, you can use those for decorating as well. You know, and if you want, this would be a super special gift to give somebody for the holiday season, or you guys can put it up on your door or in your windows, whatever you'd like. So I'm going to put some of my awesome jewels on here as well. And let's get decorating here. Okay, so this is what I have so far. So you guys get decorating and we'll finish up. And when I come back, I'm going to show you my completed wreath. Okay? See you in a couple minutes. Okay, friends, I have finished decorating my wreath, and I have also attached a piece of yarn to it, so it is ready for hanging on my door. Super simple, right? But lots of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed today's craft. And remember, head on over to the Blue Mountains Public Library's website and to our event calendar. We have lots of fun activities happening throughout the month of December. You can check out our things to do at home page. We have a holiday advent calendar up that has lots of fun ideas for you guys to do together as a family. We have a children's holiday writing contest that's running right through till January 4th or 5th. So lots and lots of fun things to do, a special bedtime story time the night before Christmas. So again, head on over to our website for lots and lots of fun holiday crafts and ideas. I hope you guys had so much fun. Until the next time, see you guys. Have a great, safe, and happy holidays. Bye for now.